Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Ngizocela ukukhuluma ibe nguye othethayo. He was outside, but now that he came in, I will humbly request that he come and say the message. Not that I don't have words to say, but because of respect. Hallelujah. Over to you, Dr. Mgeu. Just our message from the Mgeus, what I was saying about this whole event, starting from
Oh, I think I'm caught offside. But anyway, fine. I think data rooms are our, but and has no one about that. Okay. Rooms are our member or two leg, a quiet person. You all know when she's head or not. She on show. Sometimes you see her crying. But she was good on asking favors. She was always somebody that is always saying, hey, help me here, help me here, help me, help me here, help me here. But if you can't, she will sit and be quiet and lonely. She grew up like that. If you can tell you from other siblings that we had, she's really a quiet person. I think Mr. Utol, you got the patient person. You will get all your chances. But there's one thing that I want you to know, to tell you, not to know. You know, as in girls, we are not an old family, but we are big family. If you have one of them, they are all be on you. I'm trying to say, whereas we are good people, but don't disturb us on our way. I hope, Mr. Utwal, you won't be that person. I volunteer. If there's any way you don't understand, where you need to know things more about the family, about anything, you come to me. If there's any misunderstanding, anything you're unsure about, you come to me. Thank you.